How to hide Instagram post from someone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Instagram post from someone. Now, you basically can't hide your post from particularly someone, but what you can do is you can go through a couple of other options. And if you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and head over to the three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're head over to settings and privacy, go to account privacy and you can see my account is set on private. Now you can toggle this switch on and you'll be able to set it to private. Now if the person you want to hide your post from is following you, then you can head over to your profile and go to your followers and you can remove them from here. Now, so once you remove it, and if you go ahead and go to your settings and go to your private account settings, and here if you set your account to private, they won't be able to see at your post anymore. Now the other option is you can always head over to the profile. Now if this is the person that I don't want to be looking at my profile, then what I can do is head over to the profile and tap on the three dots that you can find on the top right corner of your screen, and here you can always block them. Now if you block them, they won't be able to look at your profile and they won't be able to look at your post. So this way you can hide Instagram posts from someone. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.